Hi everybody's. Time Out Lady here with my good friend Miss G. Miss G also works at PRP with me. She works in the office.
What do you want, Tio? I'm a busy woman. I've got lots of work to do today.
I need a raise. I am the hardest worker here at PRP and I need you to hook me up.
Get in line, baby. If anybody is getting a pay raise around here, it is me.
I also need for you to get me a longer lunch break. I know you know people here and that you can get things done for me.
You need to talk to the man. I don't do that.
But you do everything. I also need you to get me a bigger room. Can you get me a water fountain put in my room? And what's about a copier machine? I also would like a coffee pot. Put my name down as a real teacher at PRP for next year and get me a private toilet.
Are you serious? Leave me alone. You bother me.
Well, I guess I'll go. Talk to you later. Remember, the Time Out Lady loves you.
Go flush yourself down your own toilet. I'm trying to do my job.